Also, the people who have guided her love her and help shape her into the wonderful child she is becoming. Please stay standing as we begin the ceremonial part of our program. At this moment, we honor the people who lovingly Makayla with a warm round of applause as we call on the entrance of the parents, Marites Willan and Jeffrey Willan. The seven symbolizes blessings, growth, and abundance. We will now call on the entrance of the seven bells representing prosperity. Giselle Sabudo. Now proceed to grand entrance moment. Let's welcome our seven gifts. Gifts are expression of love. Of course, let us welcome our seven candles. Candles symbolize guidance and hope. Let us now welcome the seven candles representing the people who will serve as Makayla's light and inspiration as she grows. Let's start with Pearl Edelweiss Bantilan.